The Aspen is my favorite breed.
Talaga, Pinoy ka talaga.
And the Aspen is like the Pinoy, di ba? It's halo-halo kasi lang lahat ng races niya. And because nahalo-halo lahat yon, na-temper yung kanilang drive. Yung mga pure breeds, they were bred kasi for a purpose. Like German Shepherds, herding dogs, guarding breeds, di ba?
I see.
Breed yan to get all those qualities, mga defensive, high defense drive, high prey drive dogs, di ba? Talagang they want to work. And then yung mga ibang dogs were like hunting dogs. Some of the golden retrievers, the Labradors, German pointers, di ba? High drive din yan. They're gonna go after anything that moves, di ba? Pag may bird na,
Yes.
they'll even go as far as catch a bird in midair.
Right.
So those are very difficult dogs to own kasi you have to be a hunter or a herder to be able to manage a dog. Pag naghalo-halo na,
So, ang
Ganon.
sinasabi mo, yung Aspen, actually, all of them are combinations of different breeds.
yeah, usually. Pero I think,
Walang isang asong Pinoy talaga, no?
hindi pa yata na-determine yun. But I think there is one. Yung mga aso ng mga ita sa bundok,
Oh.
di ba? I think those are the original Aspens. Oo. Pero nahahaluan na sila ng mga iba-ibang breed.
Oo.
Yeah.
And so, describe the personality of your typical Aspen?
Ito si Bugoy. Ayan, no?
Oh,
Diba? He's very-
bugoy na bugoy.
He's very loyal. The typical Aspen is actually very loyal and he doesn't ask for very much. 'Di ba? Napakatibay. Hindi sakitin, kumakain ng kanin.
Taas ng glucose.
Madali pa kainin, 'di ba?
Oo,
Madali
hindi
pa
mapili.
kainin, hindi mapili. Tapos yung kahit saan lang, 'di ba? Hindi
Oo.
naman hindi maselan, di ba?
Oo.
Hindi gaya ng ibang aso, yan, mga asong, mga pure breed, kailangan malamig, di ba?
Oo.
Yan, kahit saan mo dalhin yung mga yan, okay. Sa bundok, okay sa bundok yan, di ba?
Oo. Kaya lang yung mga Aspen, very few yung furry, no?
Oo,
Parang
oo.
karamihan yan. Ganyan,
Yung mga
very
native
typical si
dogs.
Bugoy, eh. No?
Kasi endemic sila dito sa atin, eh. So, yung mga original Filipino dogs, maiksi ang buhok kasi mainit.
Kasi mainit.
Mainit, yeah.
Oo,
Yeah.
oo. Yun eh. Yung
Yun.
natural function.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oo. So intriguing. Tsaka, what about lifespan? Tell me about the lifespan
Okay,
of
lifespan.
Aspens
Okay.
compared to other breeds.
Matagal. I had an Aspen that passed away nga at 17 years old, di ba? Last year lang. Oo. He was a rescue from PAWS. They got him at around 3 months. I got him just a few weeks after that. And he stayed with me. He was one of my best dogs.